Hi there, it's Tim, and today I'm going to be unboxing the KBO Breeze. Thank you to KBO for sending it along to me. Let's get started. Ooh, nicely packaged. Alrighty. One bike. Let me just lean it up against the wall here. So inside, pretty much empty now, just a piece of foam there. And right here, one box. Box of accessories. So I got one of those multi-tools, a locking mechanism, I'm not sure, pedals, a left and a right, one light. In this box, feels like a charger, battery charger, which kind of almost feels premium. Is that a thing with battery chargers? Yeah, I think so. Nice quality, feels really dense. So I'm gonna put this stuff all aside and then we'll move on. So what I'm gonna do right now is I'm actually gonna do something that I don't usually do, and that is I'm gonna read the owner's manual. I just wanna make sure or ensure that I'm actually putting it together in a logical way. So there are assembly steps in here. There's a checklist. I'm gonna go through all that now, and then I'll be right back and I'm gonna put it all together. Rested it up against a wall, and I'm now just gonna diligently go through and cut all the safety ties and take the pieces of foam off. It looks like it's gonna be pretty straightforward putting it together. It's really nicely put together. Looks like a fender. I always like to see fenders protected because they're so easily scratched, and this is being put together, like the packaging on this is really quite nice. And this is interesting too. They've got these extra safety pieces on the end. That's really kind of neat. Just ensuring that things don't get broken in transit, which I like. Yeah, because if you're gonna buy a premium machine like this, you want to make sure that when it arrives, it's really well packaged. No, it's not scratched up, and this is really well done. This looks like a bottle holder. Alrighty, handlebars. I'm actually gonna keep, this is just a little bit of extra cardboard on the crossbar. I'm gonna keep that on there just as I put this together, because what I wanna do is ensure that I don't accidentally scratch it up while I'm putting the handlebars on. I just checked the instructions and it actually says to put the handlebars on first. So, and I think that makes a lot of sense. It's really stable right now. So let me put the handlebars first. So tightening up here, it always takes a little bit of time, but it's totally worth taking the time to see if that makes sense before you totally tighten it up. It's only 4 bolts, but as I said, it always seems to take a little bit longer than I think it's going to take. But I guess I could use a drill, you know, and put an attachment on there, but I'm not going to worry about that. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to flip it upside down, rest it on its top here, and I'm going to drop the front tire in. And I managed to grab the shocks where the grease was, so my hands are a little greasy. So if you can avoid touching in here, that would be a good idea. Trusty hammer, always good for a few things. Wow, that's really sturdy. Really smart too for keeping these forks nice and safe for travel. A little safety piece here for the calipers. Slide this in there like so, in between the calipers, perfect. And now I need to slide this through. Perfect, time to flip it over. Kickstand down. So I'm just gonna have to screw in the pedals. That looks pretty straightforward. And then there is one little wire here that I need to figure out what to do. And also I'm gonna be putting on this light, mounting that. I'm not gonna mount, there is a water bottle mount. I don't usually ride with a water bottle anyway, so I'm not gonna bother with that. And then I'll be all done. So the mud guards looks pretty straightforward. I'm just gonna have to loosen that up, put that on here, and then mount both sides on the sides here. You can see this slides up and down, and I can just put it into there. And that's what I'm gonna do next. I'm super excited by this. It's got a 500 watt motor at the back, 16 amp hour, 48 volt battery. So that's just loads and loads of range. Just as I'm putting it all together, everything feels really premium. 7-speed Shimano derailleur. Lovely brakes, lovely shocks. Everything just feels really sturdy, really professional. Yeah, I'm really looking forward to reviewing this. So that's gonna be my next video, is I'm gonna do a full review. I'm gonna ride around Victoria, show you all the sights, but also give you and share with you a big guy's perspective or review of the KBO Breeze. Thanks for watching.